Okay, now we have finished that last round of increasing right here. And if we lay out our work right there and we take our keychain and open it up, it should fit just around the edges, give you some room there for shrinkage while it felts, so that it'll be just the right size to be able to sew into this clasp. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the sides of this little pocket. So we're just going to go around now. This we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go and do 3 more rows of just a single or a double crochet in each one of the stitches. So you'll chain 3, you'll do all your double crochets around, and then when you get back here to this 3 chain here, you'll join that with a slip stitch and do your next round. So you're going to end this at 7 rows, or do 3 more rows in addition to what you've already done to end the little container for your coin purse.